Let's see how you can add vendors to MISA. Here from the Vendors tab, click on the Add Vendor button here on the top right. Here in the pop-up, you can add all necessary details like name and contact. Scroll down to add the KYC details of the vendor. For GSTIN and PAN, MISA will auto-fetch the details like legal name directly from the government portal. Now, if the vendor is an MSME vendor, then you can just enter the Udyam number and we will do a real-time check on the MSME status and update it. Further, you can map TDS or TCS and expense categories for this vendor, and they will be auto-filled whenever an invoice comes for this vendor. Similarly, you can add payment terms to vendor for auto-calculating the due date based on the invoice date. Now click on the Add POC, who needs to be notified along with the vendor about payment updates. Lastly, you can click on this button to add the GST certificate, contracts, etc. Then click on Add Vendor, and that's it. Once done, all vendors are reflected here. You can review all the details by clicking on the vendor. For any of the existing vendors, you can see all the connected bank accounts here. You can choose to deactivate any of the bank accounts from the toggle here and then click on Yes, Inactivate. If you wish, you reactivate a bank account. You will be prompted to enter an OTP and you're done. You can also add another bank account for an existing vendor from here. Enter the account number, re-enter to confirm it, name, and finally the IFSC code. We will auto-fetch the bank details from this. Then you can just go ahead and add details. Further, you'll be prompted to update this in your ERP. Just click on Create an ERP to map the update. Scroll down further and you can add additional POC details from here. Just click on the Add POC button and you will be prompted to enter the name and contact. Once done, just click on Save and that's it. You can alternatively add a vendor directly from the Finance Review. Just click on the bill and then click on Review. Here you'll see the vendor is not recognized. Click on the vendor field here and then click on Add Vendor from the drop-down. You'll find the AI scan automatically fills in details from the invoice. The name of the vendor is picked, followed by GSTIN. MISA automatically verifies and fetches details like PAN number, legal name, and address. The same is true for if the PAN number is available. AI scan also picks up the Udyam number and tags the vendor as MSME. Auto-fetches the size and other details. Hereafter, you can follow the same flow to map categories and payment terms to automate vendor ledger mapping. Finally, you can deactivate the vendor when you scroll down to the bottom of the side view. Just click on Deactivate and confirm the action. That's it.